In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Pine script into TradingView so you can create custom indicators for your trading strategies. Whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, this can enhance your charting experience. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in just a few clicks. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, go to the Products section at the top menu. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down. This is where you'll find different TradingView tools. Then, select Supercharts. This will take you to the main charting interface where you can apply indicators, draw tools, and of course, work with Pine script. After that, look at the bottom of your screen and click on the Pine Editor tab. This is where you'll enter and manage your Pine script codes. Now, delete any code that's already in the editor. Make sure the space is clean so you can paste your own script without any errors. You can now search on Google or ask ChatGPT to create a Pine script code. For this video, I asked ChatGPT to generate a simple MACD indicator in Pine script. This is a great starting point. Then, paste the code into the Pine editor. Once it's pasted, click Publish Indicator, then Add to Chart if you want to save it for future use. It will automatically display on your chart once added. And that's how you insert a Pine script in TradingView. I hope this helped you explore the custom side of trading. If it did, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials. See you next time!